Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to get right into it. I am using my new concealer. This is by Formation by Yetta. You guys can check her out. She is on Facebook and Instagram, and I believe she has a YouTube station as well. I am going to just be putting this on my lid. I'm probably should have put this as a cut crease. I should have used this for my cut crease, but I'm going to try it all over my lid just to see how it works. I'm using my buffer brush by Beauty Bay just to kind of blend it out a little bit. And yes, here's my new black palette. It's called Make It Fearless by Colourpop. It's very small, but it is so stinking cute. It has 5 colors, 2 shimmers. The yellow color, it's more like a matte, but it has like a little sort of a glittery shimmery look, or like a type of simple glitter to it. I'll show you a swatch a little bit later, but to start out we're going to go ahead and use this orange color, and I am like pretty much freestyling like I usually do. I'm going to speed it up throughout the video just so it doesn't take too long. I am just patting this, and well, I don't really have a crease, but I'm making up a little crease here. Okay, so here's that yellow color I was telling you about. You see how it has that little glitter shimmer in it, yet it's a matte color? I am putting this right above that other color I just did, the orange. Okay, so off camera, I used Vaseline and a Q-tip, and I just kind of removed the concealer that was there before. And I kind of made like a, I just kind of drew a line under the orange. And now I'm using the same concealer that I used in the beginning, and I'm kind of cutting that crease. I normally just cut the crease without wiping off the old concealer, but I wanted to try something new this time. I see this a lot on some of the other girls that do their makeup. They like to remove the concealer, I guess so it doesn't cake up. So just trying something new. So I'm gonna just go ahead and speed this up just for the sake of time. I really don't want this video to be too long. So I don't remember if I mentioned that I'm gonna add the yellow color under the orange. So I'm doing that quite quickly on both eyes. And then we're going to move on to the pink color. It's a shimmer color. As you can see on the brush, I'm going to tap that on the bottom portion, which is the rest of the concealer that is uncovered. Again, I'm speeding the video up because this is pretty much self-explanatory. You want to do the other eye the same way. Now we're moving on to gel liner. This is the color Black in Juvia's Place gel liner. I really love this liner. It's very long lasting. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my top lid. I'm gonna create a small wing as well. So very quickly, I removed the elf tape from my eye. It was kind of in my way. Still moving quickly. I am using just some regular old makeup remover. I put it on a Q-tip and I'm kind of cleaning up that white concealer that was left behind on my eye and kind of straightening out the arch that I want. Now moving on to our liquid liner. I am using the liquid liner by CoverGirl. I'm gonna use that as a seal for the top. Okay, we're gonna move on to the Pimprove toner. We always gotta have our toner. This is gonna control the oils and clean up any fallout. Now I'm gonna be moisturizing with my vely c-tamin serum. This has vitamin C in it. You actually do not need 3 pumps. I just did it because I wanted to, but you really don't need that much. 1 pump really can help cover the full face. So now I'm going to add some Anew Rejuvenate night cream. This is an older cream that I used to get from Avon. It worked really well with my skin. However, they have discontinued this particular brand. Actually, they have another brand, but I really didn't like it. I like this one. Moving on to our Morphe Priming Beauty Oil. This is one of their new priming oils. I love how this feels on my skin. It makes it really soft before foundation.
In black.
I actually think I got some in my nose on accident. And my mouth. Uh-oh. Yeah, just rub this in. I normally use my hands, but my hands were dirty. Like it had eyeshadow on them, and I just didn't want to go through the whole process again. Yeah, just use any mascara. This particular one, I will have it posted in my comment or description box below. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some foundation on. I am using my Makeup Revolution in number F12.5. That's my color. I like this foundation because of the wand. It's easy to apply. And it works well with this primer, the Morphe primer. Mavenn Beauty Rose Setting Spray is what I'm going to spray on my brush. Remember, I got this in my BoxyCharm box, and I said I was going to try it out. Yes, I put like 1,000,001 sprays. You do not need that much. I just kind of did that just because I wanted to, but yeah, you don't need much of this spray. I don't really recommend you to do that, but if it's yours and you want to do it, hey, you can do it if you like. You can do 2,000,000 sprays if you want. Now I'm just blending it in as usual, making sure that I am getting all the corners and crevices. All-time favorite medium beige concealer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm almost out of this. I did order some more. Yippee. We're going to go ahead and highlight these areas. So the bottle does say shake well, so make sure you do that. I am going to spray this on my brush before I blend in the concealer. Let's go in with the banana setting powder by J-Cat. I'm using my beauty blender. This is dry. This is how I do it. I do not wet it. You can wet it if you like, but I just personally don't. You want to go ahead and pat this in all the areas where I highlighted. Now let's get that black opal foundation stick, just to finish up that contour, and I'm gonna blend it out on my cheekbones and my forehead, just the usual. To bronze on top of the contour, I'm using my bronzer by Anastasia Beverley Hills in the color Mahogany. I'm just using a tapping motion while applying this, and then I'm going to be blending at the same time. So off camera, I applied my lipstick, and I will leave all of the details in the description box below. Those of you who haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share the video. See you on the next one. Bye.